Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming Windows and HP drivers are current so the store runs smoothly. This avoids sign-in errors. Once done, make sure you have a Microsoft account email or phone and a memorable strong password. Now open Microsoft Store from the taskbar or Start menu. Click the profile icon at the top right to start. You'll choose Sign In, then select Work or Personal Account. This immediate action gets you into the account flow without unnecessary steps. Next, you add your account. Choose Add Account and type your Microsoft email or phone and the password exactly as registered. If two-step verification appears, follow the prompt. Use the Authenticator app or SMS code to prove it's you. This protects purchases and app sync. Make sure to accept permission prompts so the store can access your device settings. Finally, pick sync options for apps and settings so purchases and preferences follow you across devices. You finish by confirming your account appears under the store profile, and then test by downloading any free app to verify licensing and purchases. If apps or purchases don't show, sign out and sign back in to refresh your tokens. This often resolves license sync issues. If the store won't download, run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter and check your date, time, and network. These settings commonly block authentication and app downloads and are quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.